Hi everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of Toss the Toxins. If you have not watched part 1, I highly recommend that you watch that first before this one, because it kind of shares with you why we need to identify toxins in our home and why it's important to find alternatives. So watch that first and then come back to this one for part 2. Today we're talking about our cleaning products. So think about what cleaning products you use in your home. You have dish soap, household cleaner like to clean your bathroom or your kitchen counter. You have soap to wash your hands. You have a laundry detergent. If you have a dishwasher, you have, dishwasher detergent. Maybe in your clothes dryer you use fabric softener or the fabric softener sheets. So we're going to be talking about those kinds of things today and looking at some better alternatives for you. So when you are cleaning your home and you're spraying these cleaners on your windows, or you're cleaning your floors or spraying them in your bathroom, those sprays, they linger in the air. They don't just like dissipate and go away. They linger and they linger. You might even be able to keep smelling them after a few days. You still smell them. That means you're still breathing them in. And a lot of these cleaning products, they are not good. They're not good for your respiratory system, your immune system. They just contain a lot of junk that lingers around, and your kids are touching it and you're touching it, and it is not good for your health. So we're going to talk about some alternatives. Cleaning products are very easy to switch out. Probably one of the easiest things, and that's why I'm starting with cleaning products. So when you are a Young Living member, if you're not a Young Living member, I highly recommend you take care of that first and become a member. Because everything I'm going to share with you, mostly everything I'm going to share with you, is purchased from Young Living, and the prices I'm going to share with you are the prices you get when you are a member. And I'm going to share with you also how cost effective it is and how to dilute it and be resourceful with it and get the most use out of it. So Young Living has an essential oil called Thieves. It comes in both bottles. The Thieves Vitality is an oil you can take internally, and then there's this Thieves essential oil. Thieves is a very powerful essential oil, and because of that, Young Living has created an entire line of household cleaning products out of this, using this oil, and also some personal care products using this oil. It has very good cleansing properties. It is a blend of clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And it has a spice, like a cozy, spicy aroma. To me, it smells like Christmas. I love the smell of it. And the cleaning products also have that smell because they have the Thieves essential oil in it. So if you love to clean and have a nice clean smell in your house, you'll still be getting that with these products. So I'm going to show you a lot of the cleaning products that I use in my home. This is what I personally use. And what I've done is created a document for you that I will post in the link in the comments. I'll put a link to it. And I've put together some bundles. So if you say, oh, well, I've already switched this out, but I still need to do this and this and this, you can kind of pick from the bundle which products you need, and I've already outlined the cost for you, which makes it very easy, because it's kind of annoying sometimes to go online and try to click back and forth and add it up in your head. How much will this cost together? How much will this cost? So I put some bundles together so you can kind of decide which one is best for you and your family at this time. And each bundle is a different price too, so you can kind of decide which one is the best for your budget. It does say right here, free ER Young Living promo. If you are a Young Living member, you've probably heard of Essential Rewards, which for short we call it ER. It's not emergency room. It's Essential Rewards. So if you are planning on switching a lot of these products out in your home, it's a no-brainer to be on Essential Rewards, because if you're going to buy these things already, now when you're on Essential Rewards, you are going to earn points back. Those points you can redeem for free products, which is pretty sweet. So you also have promos Young Living runs promos every month. So with this order, you would get a free Young Living promo because you will be on Essential Rewards, and you are spending over $100. Their first promo starts at $100. So if you spend $100, you will be getting that free promo, whatever it is for the month. It changes every month. So that's what that means right there. I also put some options at the bottom, and like if you say, well, I don't want to buy that thing, I put some options at the bottom of what you could also choose from your grocery store or wherever you get your groceries. The last page of the document has a cost breakdown and how to dilute it, and I'm going to show you that too, but this will just be a good reminder of how to dilute it, and it tells you how much each thing would cost. So let's get started. The easiest thing to switch out is if you use fabric softener or dryer sheets, throw them away, and you need to get wool dryer balls. These come in a 4-pack for $6, and you'll use these in your dryer instead of fabric softener sheets. You know, fabric softener sheets have that layer of, I mean, you can just feel it. It has a layer on it. Well, that layers your clothes, and your body and your skin is touching it all day long, and you are breathing in that smell all day long. Although you might like the smell, it's synthetic and it is not good for you. So use wool dryer balls instead. Another product is Thieves Household Cleaner. Thieves Household Cleaner has replaced every other household cleaner in my home. So I use it to clean the windows, to clean the wood floors, to clean my kitchen sink and my toilet and my shower, and everything we use Thieves Household Cleaner for. It comes in a bottle like this, and it's highly, highly concentrated. So this gives you several bottles of cleaner. You need to get a spray bottle, and it can be any kind of spray bottle. It can be a plastic spray bottle. You know, you can get a normal one like this, or you can get a pretty one. It doesn't matter. Still does the job cleaning. And you dilute it 1 to 30. So one capful of the cleaner to 30 parts water in your spray bottle. And that's how you use it. If you need a little more grit to scrub like your stovetop or your shower, I sprinkle baking soda first, spray with the Thieves cleaner and let it sit for a few minutes. And then clean it up, and it gives it a nice grit to scrub. So that's the Thieves Household Cleaner. And let me look at my dilution sheet. Yep, you can use it as a laundry stain remover as well. You can just pour a little bit on the stain and let it soak, or you can put some in a little roller bottle so that it's easy to carry with you or easy to keep in the laundry room, and roll that on your stain. That's the Thieves Household Cleaner. Then we have the laundry soap. Since we were just talking about stains, let's talk about laundry soap. This is the Thieves laundry soap. It is also highly concentrated and can be diluted. So let me tell you how much it is here. It is $29.50, but after you dilute it, it will cost you 25 cents per load of laundry, or if you have high efficiency, it will be 13 cents. So this is how you dilute it. You pour half of this, 16 ounces, into a separate container, a separate jar. So this is my half that I poured out. Then you can fill the rest with warm water, and that's how you use it. A half a capful is all you need for your load. Now an option is to add a booster to that, which I do. I have kids, so you always need a little laundry booster, right? So you can, after you dump out half, and you have half left in here, you can add 3 capfuls of the household cleaner, and then fill the rest up with warm water, and that will give you a little boost in your laundry too. That's the laundry soap. Okay, Thieves dish soap. This is a Thieves dish soap. It's also concentrated. You can dilute it. You can see here how much I have left. You can pour 3/4 of this bottle out and save it for later. Leave a 1/4 in here and fill the rest with warm water and just shake it gently to mix it. And that's how you use your Thieves dish soap. One thing that's different about this is that it doesn't foam up and have the sudsy, you know, the suds when you wash your dishes. It's just kind of more watery. But that's better because the sudsy doesn't necessarily mean it's clean. We're just used to it being that way. And that's the Thieves dish soap. And after you dilute it, it costs about $3.50 for a bottle of dish soap, which is pretty comparable to buying it at the grocery store. Let me see here. Hand soap. Okay, so washing your hands, there are a few different options for hand soap. So, you know, you think you need hand soap in the bathroom, you need hand soap in the kitchen. Young Living sells foaming hand soap bottles already full with the soap, and it has a nice little label on here, Thieves hand soap. So you can get those in a 3-pack. Another option, or an additional option, because you're going to need more soap once you run out anyways, they sell a refill bottle. The refill bottle is this big, and the cost of the refill bottle, it's 32 ounces, and it's $39.50. At first I was like, whoa, 40 bucks for a refill of hand soap is a little pricey for me, but once you break it down, it's actually very cheap. So I bought these foaming hand soap containers from Amazon. Maybe you have some at home that you already have foaming hand soap in. Dump that soap out and wash them out and use them for this, or get these from Amazon. And the link to these that I purchased on Amazon will be in the document I add to the comments. And what you do with the refill is this is what I do. You fill it up to only like a 1/2 inch or something with the refill soap, and the rest with warm water, and there is your hand soap. And after you do that, even though this was $39.50, it ends up being $1.23 per soap, per pump full of soap, which is very cheap. You're going to spend more than that at the grocery store, and it's not going to be the best for you. This contains no junk that's going to sit on your hands and soak into your skin and be bad for you. So that is the hand soap. I feel like I'm missing one more thing. They also have automatic dishwasher powder. I don't have that on hand right now, but you can get that. It's $25.50, and that will show you that in the bundle. So those are the cleaning products that I suggest you purchase to clean out toxins from your home with your cleaning products. It's very easy to do, and it's very cost effective once you know how to dilute them and use it that way. And those are the things we use in my home. The next thing we're going to do, now after you've switched out your cleaning products, the next video that I will upload in a couple of weeks, we're going to move to your bathroom. And we're going to look at the products in your shower, like your shampoo, your conditioner, your bar soap or your body wash, all of those products. And I will include more DIYs. With the cleaning products, I don't really need to do DIYs because they're very cost effective with diluting them already. But a lot of times I do DIYs because they end up being way cheap, and I use my essential oils to do the DIY. So you're going to want your essential oils as well. But that is how to kick out some toxins from your home with your cleaning products and how to be resourceful with them. Thanks for joining.